I cannot in good conscience let you keep traveling to the big box stores for the name brand stuff. Two-piece aftermarket batteries that fit and operate and last just as long as the Bing, with a drop-in charger with indicator lights. Drops in, clicks, holds. Works with the big box stores battery too. Same quality, same life, same fit. See where I'm going here. So, quit having your security camera, your doorbell down for half a day while you pull it out and charge it. What I do is Bing, swap it. It's always running. And for what falls out of your wallet for these, it is well worth the convenience.